This is 122 Ashcat. The tenant is still in the property. You are near an elementary school down the street. Lots of trees, beautiful area. 2-car garage. Going through the walkway to the front of the house. You're gonna step right in. This here is the living room. Here we got some touch painting to do. Front entry. Okay. In between the living room and the family room is the kitchen. And I'm just going to pan this way. Here's the kitchen. You'll need your own washer and dryer and refrigerator. Back. Step back this way. That's the front door area. I'm going to take you outside now. We'll be fixing that fence in the back. It'll be repaired. Side yard. The tenant has not vacated yet, and some of this is her property. Backyard. Small side yard. We're going to go back inside. Again, this is the kitchen. And this is the family room. This is the hallway to the bedrooms. Master bedroom with a double door entry is right here. Carpets are nice and plush and were recently cleaned. This is the bathroom. Okay. Step over here, shower stall, tub, and walk-in closet. Back in the bedroom area, double door entry, pretty nice house. A little closet there. Hall bathroom. Okay, come back out this way. And bedroom right here. Bedroom number 2. Nice size. And laundry room is right here. Can be a gas dryer or a electric dryer. If you do use the electric dryer, it has a 3-prong outlet right there. That's a 3-prong outlet. Okay, going back this way. The third bedroom is right here. This is the third bedroom, nice and spacious. Okay. Garage is right here. 2-car garage. And that is the house.